Welcome back to Autowondr. A new chapter begins with the 2026 Honda Prologue, a cutting-edge electric SUV designed to elevate your journey. Honda's vision of the future merges sleek design, advanced technology, and eco-conscious performance. The Prologue isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement of innovation and sustainability. Ready to embrace tomorrow? Let the Prologue lead the way. The 2026 Honda Prologue's exterior is a masterclass in sporty elegance. Its streamlined design boasts sculpted lines that enhance aerodynamics while exuding sophistication. The bold front grille, paired with sharp LED headlights, creates a commanding presence on the road. The 20-inch alloy wheels and chrome accents add a touch of refinement, while the two-tone paint options offer a modern edge. Whether you're navigating city streets or winding country roads, the Prologue's design ensures you do so in style. The Prologue is equipped with Honda's latest suite of advanced driver assist technologies. Honda Sensing 360 offers features like adaptive cruise control, collision mitigation braking, and lane keeping assist for an unparalleled sense of security. A rumor has surfaced about future updates introducing autonomous highway driving capabilities, making the Prologue even more futuristic. The seamless integration of AI and real-time sensors ensures every journey is smarter, safer, and more intuitive. Step inside the Prologue's cabin, where comfort meets innovation. The spacious interior is adorned with premium materials, including soft-touch leather and woodgrain accents. A panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light, enhancing its airy feel. The 12.3-inch digital driver display and 15-inch infotainment touchscreen put control at your fingertips, offering navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings in a user-friendly interface. With wireless charging, ambient lighting, and heated seats, the Prologue's interior redefines modern luxury. Under the hood, the 2026 Honda Prologue features a powerful electric motor delivering 300 horsepower and a range of up to 320 miles on a single charge. Its refined battery management system ensures optimal performance and durability. Compared to previous Honda models, the Prologue offers a 25% increase in range and a smoother, quieter driving experience. Whether you're accelerating on the highway or exploring off the beaten path, the Prologue delivers electrifying performance every time. The Honda Prologue starts at an attractive $45,000, offering exceptional value for a premium electric SUV. For those seeking the ultimate experience, the Elite trim, featuring all the luxury upgrades and advanced tech options, is available at $55,000. With federal and state EV incentives, transitioning to the Prologue is easier than ever. The 2026 Honda Prologue isn't just a vehicle, it's a bold step into the future of driving. With its stunning design, innovative technology, luxurious interior, and eco-friendly performance, the Prologue sets a new standard for electric SUVs. Visit your nearest Honda dealership or explore online to reserve yours today. The future is calling, and the Prologue is ready to take you there.